Step into the Ram 2019 2500 Laramie. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Park Sense front rear park assist system, diamond black crystal pearl coat, blind spot and cross path detection included, power chrome tow mirrors with convex spotter and memory mirror mounted O reverse lamps, exterior mirrors with memory power adjustable convex O mirrors, power sunroof, tires, LT 285/60R20E owl on off-road, manufacturer's statement of origin, radio, Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4 display included, Sirius XM satellite radio, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, and monotone paint. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.